All right, so you're just about to pull the trigger and order your cabinets, but please don't make this mistake. So after being a cabinet maker for over 15 years, I have seen some things. And of course, when I was building the cabinets for the customers, I always measured 1,000,000 times, and I did this little trick. Tape. This roll of tape could potentially save you thousands of dollars. Let me show you how. So if you haven't done so already, now is the time to lay out your cabinets on your blank kitchen wall. This is really helpful for people that have a trouble time envisioning or seeing what it's going to look like without actually seeing it in place. So by using this tape, you can actually mark out each cabinet along the wall. You could even draw a rectangle on the wall. So no matter what shape your cabinet is, you can lay it all out in two-dimensional flat wall. You could either just pull out the tape, put it against the wall just like that, and start measuring and marking where your cabinets are going to go. You can also lay out the cabinet, how it's going to look, especially a wall upper cabinet. You can mark that left, right, top, and bottom. And your base cabinets, you can do the same thing, top, left, right, and bottom. Well, bottom's going to obviously be where the ground is, so you don't really need to put tape on the ground. But that brings us to put the tape on the ground. So you're going to also want to tape off the ground for the depth of your base cabinets. So most likely your base cabinets are 24 inches deep. So just go ahead and check that out. Make sure that that's the depth that you have and that you're ordering. Sometimes you could have them jet out or jet in. Maybe there'll be an 18-inch, go to 24. Who knows? That way you can make all those marks. And especially if you have an island, you want to mark that out as well. And then measure your clearance and make sure you have at least 36-inch minimum. My perfect measurement is actually 39. 39 was perfect size for two people to walk by each other in a kitchen. Gives you a little room, but not too much room. So therefore you're wasting space. Anything below 36, you're going to be running into other people. You're going to just probably hate your kitchen. So now if that's not enough for you, after you've laid out everything on the wall, laid it on the ground, you can kind of see everything. And if you're still having trouble visualizing what it's going to look like, I highly recommend going to the big box store and buying a few cardboard boxes. You can actually tape these boxes together, get different sizes, have fun with it, cut them out, have the kids cut them out. Place those where you taped off your cabinets, especially for the lowers, and you'll have a three-dimensional representation of what that kitchen actually will feel like, and that could change a lot. So after doing all that, if there is no mistakes, everything looks good, you're happy with the way those cardboard boxes are, now is the time when you order those cabinets. But if for some reason, I didn't realize the fridge was going to be out that far, and that's another thing. You can mark out all your appliances as well. This just helps for the whole entire project. So tape, tape, tape. We have tape at Express.com. If you're interested, we have blue tape, white tape, yellow tape, you name it, painter's tape. But if you find even just one mistake, that mistake would just compound drastically. So say, this 12-inch cabinet should have been an 8-inch cabinet. I don't like how much room we have left over here. Well, if you had already ordered those cabinets, you'd be paying for that, 12-inch cabinet, and you'd be buying another cabinet on top of that, plus probably paying your contractor to take out that 12-inch cabinet to put that 8-inch cabinet in. So yeah, it can add up very quickly. And tape. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified when we make another video, and we will see you next time.